So exercise number 5. This is an easy part. Here we will use only revolve command, chamfer, fillet, and extrude cut for the hole. Let's get started. Front plane, sketch, draw an axis. Okay, line, we draw just only half of that. And dimension it. Here is 95, here is 85. The diameter is 27. Okay, here we have 23, but by half is 11.5. Okay, so it's constrained, futures, revolve. Okay, put that radius 5 millimeter. Okay, and the chamfer 1 millimeter is okay, and the cut, the hole, draw a circle. Now we draw an axis. Okay, circle. And here we have 10 to base. Okay, futures, extrude cut, draw both. Okay, just a second. Draw all both. Okay, so this is it. Choose.